and welcome back to the channel. So today is just going to be a video about all the stuff that I made in April. I didn't have a lot of time to sew in April because it was busy. You know, like you have to start mowing the grass again, and every time you have a free minute you have to mow the grass. So yeah, I really just need to buy some goats, but anyway. So the first thing that I made this month was just a self-drafted t-shirt, and I used a yard of fabric from school bus from Hobby Lobby. Hold on, the cat's knocking on the door to get in. Okay, so this is the first thing that I made, and I'll pop a video of this up on the screen. And then the second thing I made was this dress, and this is a pattern from Ellie and Mac, and I will put a video of this up as well so that you can see it on. And I just made it out of this double brush fabric that I got. I don't remember where I got it, to be honest. I think somewhere off Etsy, I think. But yeah, and it has pockets, and the name of the pattern is the Monday Morning. I think this is the Monday Morning dress. I don't remember what it was called. And then after that, I made some pillows for the porch with some like pom-poms on them. And then the back is just stripes. So, and I made 2 of these, and all of the fabric for these came from Hobby Lobby. So, and they're just, I cut out a 20-inch square, and then that's the size that I made them. So, yeah. And then after that, the next thing that I made, this month was, I've been making some chicken aprons because my mom wanted some chicken aprons, and then I made some for some people, and then I made some to sell at a local place. I sell stuff at a local place too, like in a local shop, and so I just made a bunch of chicken aprons to take there because I sold out of everything that I had there, and so I had to make some more stuff. So these are like the little Bantam size aprons for like silkies and Polish. And then this is the bigger size. And then this right here. I got this because it looks like little eggs, but they're actually flowers. But anyway, so like this is the Bantam, and then this is the regular size. And then I made a bigger size for like the bigger chickens, like the Orpingtons and stuff. So, and then this is just strawberries. So I made all of these. And then there's some more that I made, but I don't have them anymore. And then let's see. Oh, after that, I made some scrunchies to take to the shop to sell because, you know, they usually do pretty good because they're impulse buys. And so I just use my scraps for these. I don't actually like buy specific fabric for them. I just save up all of my scraps for them. And I made all of these. And this one is a Liberty fabric, so it's super soft. It's got yarn on it. Okay. I dropped one. And then after that, I made some like little towels to put your dishes on for the kitchen. And then I made the matching, like, you know, bag holders for these. Like you put your shopping bags in here and you just like pull them out as you need them. And I made this one. This is little mushrooms, and then I made this one as like little succulents. This fabric is. So it's pretty cute. Also, these are really great to put your scrunchies down in. Like you can put your scrunchies in here and you hang out in the bathroom, and then you can just like have a scrunchie dispenser. I don't know. We're just a bunch of girls here, so it comes in handy. That way you know where to put them when you're cleaning and you find them, you know, so that you don't like, you know, have scrunchies all the way up to here. Because that's what I do. I just put them on my arm, and then I don't know where to put them, and that just keeps them contained. So yeah, that's everything that I made for April. And there wasn't a lot, but I did make some things. So yeah, I hope that you found that interesting, and thanks for the cat down here. See, he's being annoying. My serger has been like getting tangled up all the time, and I'm constantly having to like put it back together and like to rethread it. Stop that. Stop that. Okay. I've been constantly having to like rethread it, and I couldn't figure out why. It's because he gets up there and he just swats at the thread until he tangles it. And then I don't realize it, and then I try to sew something, and then it breaks, and I get super frustrated because I thought my serger was breaking, but it's not. It's just the cat being annoying. So, I don't know. Does anybody else's cats do that? He doesn't know he's a cat, but I'm not going to tell him. So anyways, okay, so that's all for this video, and thanks for watching.